10 product launch tips that will help you boost sales. A product launch is a highly effective way to go live with any product idea. This will let you turn your product into an event, and that will help you draw much more attention to it and build the kind of buzz and momentum that would otherwise be impossible. But not every launch is made equal. It's all about how you launch. With that in mind, we're going to look at 10 product launch tips that you can use to ensure your launch is even bigger. Grab a pen. 1. Launch a product that is exciting and different. A product that is exciting and different will be much easier to build interest and intrigue around. Why should people care about this product? 2. Launch a product with a high value proposition. In other words, how does your product change lives? 3. Make sure your product is genuinely great quality. A few bad reviews can stop your product launch dead in its tracks. 4. Give yourself time to test your funnel. Make sure that the checkout works and all your links work, etc. before you take your product live. 5. Run a contest for your affiliates. Your product launch is an exciting event for your affiliates too, or at least it should be. Get them involved and encourage some competition by offering a cash prize for the most sales. 6. Remember AIDA. AIDA stands for Awareness, Interest, Desire, Action. Take your audience through these steps to make conversations. 7. Tease your audience. Long before you announce your product, you can tease your audience by letting them know that something exciting is coming. 8. Create a countdown page. This is a great way to build palpable excitement, and especially if you make this your email squeeze page. 9. Add lots of extras to your product. Make your product more enticing by including as many extras as you can, whether that means video materials, mind maps, or membership to a forum. 10. Watch other successful launches. There have been tons of high-profile internet marketing launches. Take a look at some of these historical examples and see what they did right that you can emulate. Let that be your blueprint. Follow these tips and you should stand a much better chance of making a real splash when you announce your product. The rest is about hard work. How to get affiliates to promote your launch. In this presentation, we'll be looking at one of the most important aspects of promoting a product launch: finding affiliates. Affiliates are marketers that will promote your product on your behalf in exchange for commission. Get this right, and you can build an army of affiliates, all helping you to push your product and multiply your sales many times over. But how do you get affiliates involved? Step 1. Sign up for an account at JVZoo, ClickBank, or Infusionsoft. These are affiliate marketing platforms that allow you to find affiliates and to set up affiliate URLs. You'll be able to use these sites not only to network with partners, but also to set up the actual process and see how other product creators have handled the process. Step 2. Provide free materials. This might mean that you give away ready-made sales pages, or it might mean that you provide email swipes, or both. Either way, if you create some ready-made materials for your affiliates, then you save them work and thereby make your product all the more appealing to promote. Of course, this also means you'll gain more control over the way that your affiliates are representing your brand and hopefully helping them to make even more sales. That's what we call a win-win. Step 3. Offer a high commission. Yes, I know it's nerve-wracking to offer more than 50% of your revenue to someone who didn't have any hand in the product creation. But think, these are all sales on top of the sales you make. This is money for nothing, and you want to encourage it at any cost. It's better to earn 30% from 1,000 sales than 100% from 3 sales. Step 4. Have an affiliate page. It's a good idea to create an affiliate page right on your website. This way, affiliates can stay up to date with developments and see when you're going live, etc. At the same time, this will also inform visitors that they too can become affiliates if they should so want. This will help you attract even more sellers to help you spread the word. Step 5. Run a contest. The most important tip of all when it comes to getting more people involved in your product launch is to run a contest. This means you'll be keeping track of which affiliates are selling the most, and maybe even making a leaderboard. Either way, you'll then reward the very top sellers with a prize, normally a cash prize, and this will act as a powerful incentive. They'll have a chance to earn directly from the sales and to earn more on top. Step 6. Choose your price wisely. Just as you need to offer a high commission, you also need to think of the retail price of your product too. If your product is overpriced, then affiliates will know that no one is going to buy it. If it's underpriced, then it won't be worth their time. Step 7. Make an amazing product. At the end of the day, though, the most important strategy is just to make an amazing product. Make something that people can get really excited about selling and that will be easy to promote. When looking at your item, affiliates are going to imagine how they would promote it and sell it. If it is low quality, then they are not going to see the opportunities and they'll look for another product to promote instead. Hope you wrote some of those tips down. Finding affiliates is one of the best things you can do to maximize your sales. Happy marketing!